This is a very unique year, coming off a year of pandemic. Everybody was shut down. There weren't a whole lot of air shows to go to, and it sort of carried over into this year as well. And I think we just saw an opportunity where we could get these two teams together who worked so diligently and so hard over the last year when we executed our American Strong mission together, when both us and Blue Angels flew together over cities saluting healthcare heroes. And we saw an opportunity where we could do a joint show, not just over Thunder over Michigan, but at other places across the country.
It's great working with the Thunderbirds because they're essentially like siblings in this mission, in this profession. We're both executing flight demonstrations as a military jet demonstration team. So we're always looking to improve our process and being able to share our best practices and how we do things is invaluable to putting on the absolute best flight demonstration that we can, that both teams can do for the American public.